Hey guys, sorry for delay in my videos and I apologize for not making 30 days challenge videos. Due to my job, nowadays I'm not able to upload videos on time. However, I try to make videos and upload every week. So let's move on to today's video without any further delay. Today we are gonna see about how to use be used to and get used to. In previous video we have seen about how to use usually and used to. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Practice English. Let's learn, practice and perform. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Be used to is different than used to. Be used to means that you are accustomed to or comfortable with a part of daily life. Let's see with the example. I am used to wearing goggles when I swim. It's normal for me. If I don't wear them, my eyes burn. Here, the speaker describes wearing goggles as a normal part of life that he is comfortable with. In negatives, the be verb is combined with a not. In questions, use a form of the be verb to begin. Am, is, are, was, were. Be used to must be followed by a noun or gerund. I am not used to swimming in lakes. I am not sure I like it. I am scared of touching the bottom. I prefer swimming in pools. If it's your first time swimming in a lake, you might say that you feel uncomfortable or you are not used to it. Swimming is a gerund. Use gerunds after be used to. Be used to can be used in past and present forms. Am, is, are, was, were. Now let's see about get used to. Get used to is similar to be used to. It means you are in the process of becoming comfortable with something. I'm still getting used to swimming in lakes. It was uncomfortable at first, but I have been going every week. You can become comfortable with something over time. Use get used to show that you are growing accustomed to doing something. In the past, you got used to. Get functions as a normal verb when using this phrase. The expression is still followed by a gerund verb. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Get used to watch my videos to learn English. See you guys in next video.